mundanity of excellence means greatness is built in small reps.
Dawn Grant is a globally respected mental trainer, board-certified hypnotist, and pioneer in performance, mindset, and spiritual alignment. Widely recognized as the Zone Whisperer, she spent over 30 years helping world champions, elite athletes, executives, and everyday people break through limitations, not by pushing harder, but by learning how to let go.
The biggest issues is focus. There's also issues with confidence and overthinking or overanalyzing or trying too hard.
Dawn Grant is a mental trainer who has worked with a variety of athletes, including the silver medalist in trap shooting at the 2020 Olympics.
She's known for helping people to get confidence, less stress with her mental training.
It's not the mechanics that start to fail, it's what's happening in their mind.
Who trains athletes on the mental side of sports to overcome hurdles in their own mind.
So I'd like to help you to recognize what is holding you back from experiencing the level of success that you would like to have. To have a good mental game, they need to be in that moment and giving that conscious mind something specific to do.
Working with Dawn's been awesome. What she brings to the golf course goes far beyond. You can go ahead and have a good strength in what you're doing.
When I started shooting, I never even imagined that you had to have such a strong mental game for this sport. Using the techniques I've learned through your course actually helped me through it a lot.
It's one of the most minute measurements of time, but 1 second can have a lifetime of impact on an athlete.
You want to create habits of both mechanics and mental training skills. Goal chasing without habit building will create burnout and frustration. If you think champions are doing something glamorous, most are just doing the boring stuff better than anyone else. So the mundanity of excellence means greatness is built in small reps.
So 7 Strokes in 7 Days is available on all the bookstore websites, but my website, dawngrant.com, and then Mind Mastered is mindmastered.com.
She's the creator of the Mind Mastered app, author of 7 Strokes in 7 Days, contributor to multiple publications, and host of 2 transformational podcasts. Her teachings continue to impact thousands through online programs, private sessions, retreats, keynotes, and large-scale events designed to transform millions.
Helping people make profound positive changes has truly been my lifelong mission. And back in 1995, I co-founded Joy to the Children to help kids in need right here at home.
Their goal is to make Christmas magical and memorable for kids in Nassau County who could use a little bit of cheer. Since 1995, the nonprofit organization Joy to the Children has raised money and helped economically disadvantaged kids and their families in Nassau County.
Gifts are being wrapped for 186 kids in need of Nassau County, Florida. They are homeless or at risk of being homeless, and Joy to the Children is giving them toys, clothes, backpacks, school supplies, pillow sheets, blankets, hygiene items, books.
I knew I wanted to help people make really big changes in their lives, and I wasn't seeing that. I was seeing a lot of monotony and same old, and people are coming in but not really changing. And
she blends science and spirit, rewiring the subconscious and guiding people beyond stress and overthinking into the zone where true performance begins. Her work reaches far beyond the field or stage. Whether someone is competing, leading, healing, or simply searching, Dawn helps them release what no longer serves and rise into their full potential. This isn't just personal development, it's a movement. It's mastery. This is Dawn Grant.